Instantly dissolving cowbell milk is both delicious and nutritious. It promotes good health and vitality. Cowbell milk has a blend of the important vitamins which we call Vita-Rich, plus vitamin B9, which helps with brain development. We've also got a deliciously creamy formula that dissolves instantly. Cowbell, deliciously creamy.
"108 students have a dream. Their dream is to become the undisputed heavyweight champion when it comes to mathematics. And like every dream, you need to practice and keep on practicing. And these guys have been practicing for months. They're here on Cowbellpedia to take that first step towards becoming the undisputed champion when it comes to mathematics. It's been quite interesting for me seeing them display their skills. A number of them have been happy moving on, and a couple, well, their journeys have ended right here at the preliminary stage. Welcome to yet another preliminary right here on Season 3 of Cowbellpedia, brought to you by the Ambassador, the makers of Cowbell Milk, and endorsed by NECO. They have to go through me. I am the quiz master, and my name is Oscar. I'll be back after the break.
Cowbell Choco formula has been stolen. Get it back at all costs.
Tasting new Cowbell Choco gives you the get up and go to be at the top of your game. Now with Vita-Rich Plus Iron. New great tasting Cowbell Choco, a creamy chocolatey drink that helps give energy to get up and go.
Welcome back. Now, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's youtube.com/Cowbellpedia TV Nigeria to be up to date with all the episodes of the show. Out of the 108, 12 of them are on the show. They are ready, but we're going to meet the first 6 contestants in the junior category who are ready to take the first step, or would I call it the first chapter, towards their fairy tale ending. We have 9 prelims, 3 semifinals, and 1 final. I only need 2 from the 6. Let's meet our contestants.
I'm Charles Abasiofon from Rafe International Secondary School, Akwa Ibom State.
How are you doing, Charles? Great to have you.
Thank you, sir.
How's Akwa Ibom?
It's fine.
I've never been there before. Is that where you live as well?
No, sir.
Where do you live?
Abuja.
Abuja?
Yes, sir.
So if I say you're an Abuja big boy, what would you say?
I'll take it.
What did you score in your qualifying exams?
98.
98. Wow, very impressive.
Thank you, sir.
Very, very impressive. Are you always used to getting high scores?
Yes, sir.
What's the subject that you've gotten like the lowest score ever?
French.
French. What did you score?
I got 55.
55. Comment ça va?
Ça va bien, merci.
Don't worry, that's all I know in French as well. I wish you all the best, Charles. Welcome to Cowbellpedia.
Thank you, sir.
Contestant number 2.
My name is Enibe Obichukwu. I'm from University of Nigeria Secondary School, Nsukka.
Obichukwu, how are you feeling today?
A little nervous.
What calms you down when you're nervous?
Talking with somebody that is interesting.
Talking to somebody?
That is interesting.
That is interesting. Like me, right? Anyway, Obichukwu, is this the first time you're taking part in a competition?
Is it a cowbell competition?
Any competition?
No.
Which one have you done?
Mathematical Association of Nigeria, an Olympiad.
And how far did you go?
Third round and second round.
Well, I hope you make it all the way to the finals. I wish you all the best. Welcome to Cowbellpedia.
Thanks, sir.
Contestant number 3.
I'm by name Michael Simon Ubunda from Airforce Comprehensive School, Adamawa State.
How are you doing, Michael?
Fine, thank you.
What's your other name? Do you have any other name apart from Michael? Just Michael. No nickname?
I have.
What is it called?
Starboy247.
Starboy247. Who gave you that name?
My friends.
What does the 247 stand for?
247, that means I'm always there.
You're always there. Interesting. Maybe we'll talk more about how you got that particular name. I wish you all the best, Michael. 247, Starboy. Great to have you. Contestant number 4.
My name is Harry Biobele Paul from Access High School, Calabar, Cross River State.
Harry. Welcome to Cowbellpedia.
Thanks, sir.
How did you prepare for this competition?
I read my books.
Okay.
I watched past episodes.
You watched past episodes?
Yes.
How many episodes did you watch?
I can't count.
Quite a lot. More than 10?
Yes.
And what's your favorite segment on the show?
60 Seconds of Fame.
The Cowbellpedia 60 Seconds of Fame. You feel sometimes when you're watching, you feel, oh, that's an easy question. I could have gotten that.
Yes.
Do you still feel that way now?
Maybe.
Does it feel different being here on stage?
Yes.
But you're not nervous?
Quite.
A little bit. All right, take a deep breath and breathe. You'll do just fine. You beat over 52,000 people to be here, so there's something good about you. Welcome, Harry. Wish you all the best. Contestant number 5.
My name is Ndoh from Marist Juniorate, Abia State.
Joel, great to have you on board. Have you also watched past episodes of Cowbellpedia?
Yes.
And what is your favorite segment?
The 60 Seconds of Fame.
Okay. Did you practice at home?
Yeah.
Who did you practice with?
I practiced on my own.
On your own?
Yeah.
All right. What did you score in your qualifying exam? 96.
Yes.
Very impressive. Great to have you on board, Joel. I wish you all the best. And our final contestant today, contestant number 6.
My name is Egboga Chukelu from Loyola Jesuit College, Abuja.
Chukelu, great to have you on board.
Thank you.
Are you an outgoing person or you like staying at home?
Both, actually, but I prefer outdoor.
You prefer outdoor. What's the most interesting place you've been to?
I don't really have the most interesting. They're all interesting.
Okay, can you name one?
Silver Bed.
Okay, you went to the cinemas?
Yes.
You like watching movies a lot?
Yes.
What's your favorite movie?
Spider-Man Homecoming.
Spider-Man Homecoming. That was a really good one, actually. Okay, and if you could be any superhero, what would that be?
Iron Man.
Iron Man. You don't want to be Superman? So you can see all my questions with your X-ray vision. All right then, I wish you all the best, Chukelu. Glad to have you on board.
Thank you, Master.
And there you have our 6 contestants who are ready to take that first step, but they have to go through me and 2 rounds. Round 1 is 12 questions where you have 5 seconds to put in your answer. At the end of round 1, the 3 students with the highest scores move on to round 2, which is the Cowbellpedia 60 Seconds of Fame. At the end of round 2, the 2 students with the highest combined scores from round 1 and round 2 will move on to the semi-finals. Do you have any questions?
No, please, Master.
I wish you all the best. Let's go on to round 1, question 1. Bisi made a loss of 3,000 naira after selling a phone for 8,000 naira. What was her cost price? A, 15,000, 20,000, 25,000, D, 11,000. You have 5 seconds to put in your answer. The correct answer is D, 11,000 naira. We had one incorrect, and that is Charles. Not to worry, Charles. Charles, are you there?
Yes, sir.
You okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, man. It's not how you start, it's how you finish. Let's move on to question number 2. What is CLXIII in Arabic numeral? A, 116, 159, 163, or D, 164? The correct answer is C, 163. We had 2 incorrect and 4 correct. Michael and Charles, not to worry. Let's move on to question number 3. Find the sum of the following set of numbers: 2, -2, 4, -3, and 0. A, 0, B, 6, 11, and D, 1. The correct answer is D. And I'm glad to say for the first time, you all got it right. Well done. What is the common difference in the numbers 1, 4, 7, 10? A, -5, 3, -3, or D, 4? The correct answer is B, 3. And we had 6 correct answers this time as well. What is 700 to 400 in its simplest form? A, 7 to 140, 7 to 4, 1 to 7, or D, 7 to 14? The correct answer is 7 to 4, which is option B, which is the option everyone picked. Well done. Halfway through question number 6. Express the ratio 1 to 6 as a decimal fraction. A, 0.6, 0.7, 0.17, and D, 0.77. I guess question 6 was not as favorable. You had 2 correct answers this time around.
Instantly dissolving cowbell milk is both delicious and nutritious. It promotes good health and vitality. Cowbell milk has a blend of the important vitamins which we call Vita-Rich, plus vitamin B9, which helps with brain development. We've also got a deliciously creamy formula that dissolves instantly. Cowbell, deliciously creamy.
Michael, what went wrong? What happened?
Nothing.
All right, Harry, what about you?
It's in the wrong answer.
So if I gave you a second chance, you get it right?
Yes.
Well, not on this question, but let's see if we can give you a second chance on question number 7. Which of the following symbols can replace the equality sign in the statement 10 plus 21 equals 15? A, less than, B, greater than, C, less than or equal to, or D, greater than or equal to? The correct answer is B, greater than. Well done to all of you. Question 8. A fraction is said to be equal to 0 if A, numerator is 0, fraction is divisible by 2, fraction is undefined, or denominator is 0. The correct answer is A, numerator is 0. Obichukwu, well done to you. You are the only one that got it right. It's still anybody's game. Moving on to question number 9. What is the value of B if 2C minus 1 bracket B is equals to minus bracket 2C minus 1? A, minus 2C plus 1, minus 2C plus 1, C minus 1, or D, 1? The correct answer is C minus 1. Only 2 correct answers. Please don't forget you need to put in your answer as quickly as possible in the 5-second window. Question 10. Simplify 5x minus 7y plus 6x minus 4y. A, 11a plus 11b, 11x minus 3y, 11x minus 11y, or D, 0. The correct answer is C, 11x minus 11y. Well done to all 6 of you. Question 11. Simplify 2 over 3b all squared. A, 4 over 9b, 2 over 9b squared, 4 over 6b, or D, 4 over 9b squared. Four over 9b squared is the correct answer, which is option D, which is the option you all chose. Well done. The final question, question 12. Simplify p squared plus 3 bracket p minus 2 all squared divided by p squared plus 3 bracket p minus 2. A, p squared plus 1, p plus 2. Option B is p minus 2, p squared plus 2, or option D, 1 all over p squared minus 2. The answer from this particular question is going to send some home. It's going to send some to round 2. Maybe there might even be a tie break. We'll find out after the break on Cowbellpedia.
Cowbell Choco formula has been stolen. Get it back at all costs.
Tasting new Cowbell Choco gives you the get up and go to be at the top of your game. Now with Vitality Plus Iron. New great tasting Cowbell Choco, a creamy chocolatey drink that helps give energy to get up and go.
Welcome back. Still Cowbellpedia is the preliminary round. The junior contestants, 12 questions are down in round 1. I need 3 of them in round 2. Let's find out the answers from question 12. Correct answer is B, P minus 2. You all got it right. Well done to all of you. But let's see what the scoreboard has to say. Well, I guess it's very clear. Harry, Charles, Michael, you have done very well for yourselves getting this far. Unfortunately, the dream towards becoming the junior champion ends here. But we might still be able to see you in the senior category representing your school in 2 years' time. I wish you all the best. A round of applause to them, ladies and gentlemen. Chukelu, how fast do you think you were answering your questions?
Very fast.
1.04 seconds. That was your average response time. Joel, yours was 1.50, and Obichukwu, yours was 0.92. Very fast indeed. Well done. That will count in this next round. It is the Cowbellpedia 60 Seconds of Fame. This is where you have 60 seconds to give me as many correct answers as possible. I wish you all the best. I'm going to start with Obichukwu, who's on 55 points, followed by Chukelu, who's on 50 points, and then Joel, who's also on 50 points. Obichukwu, are you ready?
Yes, Quizmaster.
I wish you all the best. Your Cowbellpedia 60 Seconds of Fame starts now. Round off the number 9.463 to the nearest hundredth.
9.46.
Correct. What is the square root of 8,100?
990.
I'll take your first answer. Incorrect. The ages of 2 boys are in the ratio 5:3. If the smaller boy is 15 years, how old is the other boy?
Skip.
Convert 115 over 3 to mixed fractions.
38 whole number 2 over 3.
Incorrect. What is 20% of 1 hour?
6.
Incorrect. Simplify 12a raised to the power minus 6 divided by 3a cubed.
Skip.
Simplify 5 over 6 over minus 1 over 3. Silence in the audience, please. If you do not know the answer, just skip.
1 over 2.
Correct. If 6 pence cost 72 naira, what is the cost of 8 pence?
96 naira.
Correct. Well done, Obichukwu. Chukelu, wish you all the best. Your Cowbellpedia 60 seconds of fame starts now. Simplify 10 raised to the power minus 3.
1 over 1,000.
Correct. What is the common prime factor?
13.
Correct. Express 4.009 kilometers in meters.
4,009.
Correct. Simplify 1 over 9 raised to the power minus 1.
9.
Correct. Convert 75.
3 over 4.
Correct. Express 18 as a product of its prime factors.
2 times 3 times 3.
Correct. Express 0.07.
7.5 times 10 raised to the power minus 2.
Correct. Find the multiplicative inverse of minus 0.7.
Minus 10 over 7.
Correct. A man earns 660,000 naira per annum. How much does he earn a month?
Skip.
Reduce 13
1 over 3.
Correct. Simplify 2 over
Skip.
3. Simplify 1 over 9 raised to the power minus 2.
81.
Correct. Simplify 1 minus 1 over 4.
Minus 3 over 4.
Incorrect. If 12% of beans were infected by weevils, what percentage were not?
88%.
Correct. Find the multiplicative inverse of 4 raised to the power minus 3.
1 over 64.
Incorrect. What is the place value of 7 in 43.72?
Tenth.
Correct. Well done. Joel, are you ready?
Yes,
Silence
please,
in the
Master.
audience, please. Absolute silence in the audience, please. I wish you all the best, Joel. Your Cowbellpedia 60 seconds of fame starts now. What is the place value of 6 in 6?
1,000.
Correct. Simplify 6 minus 6 plus 3.
15.
Correct. Add the square roots of 225 and 196.
29.
Correct. If S over 3 is equals to 1 over 15, what is S?
1.
Incorrect. What is the reciprocal of 3 over 39?
39 over 3, that's 13.
Correct. Convert 0.45 to proper fraction in its lowest term.
9 over 20.
Correct. If 1 over 3b plus 7 is 10, what is b?
B, skip.
Simplify 26a minus 4a minus 12a plus 5c minus 14c.
10a plus 10a minus 9c.
Correct. Express 27 over 10,000 as a decimal.
0.0027.
Correct. Given that 14 divided by c is equal
7.
Correct. Simplify 5a plus 2 bracket 3a minus 6.
11a minus 12.
Correct. Solve for d if 10 plus 5d minus 5 is equals to 45.
Plus 5 is equals to 4. D is 8.
Correct. Well done. Well done to all three of you. Chukelu, was there any point giving you a pen and paper? You didn't need it in round 2. Well done. Obichukwu, Joel, one of you is on 100 points, the other 70 points. Joel, what's the first thing you'll do when you get back home?
Finish my league.
You finish
My league.
Okay. Well, you won't be going home just yet. You're on 100 points. You made it to the semi-final. Congratulations. Chukelu, you're on 110 points. Well done to you. Obichukwu, unfortunately, this is where your journey stops on Cowbellpedia in the junior category. And like I always tell my junior contestants, we might be able to see you again in the senior category. Wish you all the best. Thank you for coming. Thank you for being here. Have a safe trip back. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Joel and Chukelu have made it to the semi-final. Let's find out the 2 senior contestants that will join them as well after the break. Here's our home plate question for the week.
What is the multiplicative inverse of 1 over 8? A, 2, B, 8, C, 4, D, 1 over 4. Be part of the Cowbellpedia Best 11. Type SC space your name space location space your answer for a chance to win fabulous prizes for the week.
Instantly dissolving cowbell milk is both delicious and nutritious. It promotes good health and vitality. Cowbell milk has a blend of the important vitamins which we call Vita-Rich, plus vitamin B9, which helps with brain development. We've also got a deliciously creamy formula that dissolves instantly. Cowbell, deliciously creamy.
Welcome back. Our 6 contestants in the senior category are ready. Let's meet them.
My name is Olaleye Blessing from Reality High School, Elisha, Osun State.
How are you doing, Blessing?
Fine, sir.
I'm over here. Look at me. Take a deep breath. Everything is okay. Yes, I can see you're a bit nervous. Why are you nervous?
I'm just afraid.
Don't be afraid. You don't have any reason to be afraid. Do you know why? No. You know, over 52,000 people took this same test and you made it. All right? So you have what it takes to be here and you have what it takes to go to the finals. I wish you all the best. Welcome to Cowbellpedia.
Thank you, sir.
Contestant number 2.
My name is Akanyo Ebipade from Federal Government College, Warri, Delta State.
Akanyo, great to have you on board.
Thank you, sir.
What's the best lesson you've ever learned from your teacher?
That I should not be afraid to express myself in mathematics.
You should not be afraid to express yourself.
Yes.
Was that from your maths teacher or who else?
From my maths teacher.
Your maths teacher. Okay, now talking about expressing yourself, how would you say you're feeling right about now?
I'm a bit nervous because I've never been here before.
Okay. You've never been on Cowbellpedia or you've just never been on television before?
Both.
Both. What do you want to do when you get out of school?
I want to become a mechanical engineer.
Mechanical engineer.
Yes,
do you like cars?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll have a chat about that later on the show. But welcome. Glad to have you on board.
Thank you.
Contestant number 3.
My name is Abumsowan Favour from Iganmode Grammar School, Yola.
Great to have you on board, Favour.
Thanks, sir.
So are you equally nervous or you are very, very cool, calm and collected?
Well, I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm a little bit nervous.
And when you're nervous, what do you do to calm yourself down?
So sometimes when I'm nervous, I just tell God to remove the spirit of fear.
To remove the spirit of fear. And have you spoken to God today?
Yes, sir.
Well, I hope He gives you everything you wish. Welcome. I wish you all the best.
Thanks, sir.
Contestant number 4.
My name is Saudat Ibrahim Ayuba from Contestants Academy, Kano State.
How are you doing, Saudat?
Fine, sir.
How do you feel being here on this stage?
Fine.
Very fine?
Fine.
But you're not nervous like all these other people. You're very brave, right?
Yes, sir.
I wish you all the best. Great to have you on board. Contestant number 5.
Marist Loyola from Chap Secondary School, Ilorin, Kwara State.
How are you doing, Loyola?
I'm fine.
I just can't help but notice it's like you're just gliding. You're just gliding. Do you like fashion?
Yeah.
What aspect of fashion do you like?
Fashion research.
Fashion research. Okay. And if I had a chance to send you anywhere in the world, where would you want to go to?
Cuba.
Cuba? Really? Why is that?
I just love their culture.
And what do you love most about their culture?
The drums, the songs. Just love it. It's cool.
Well, I'm sure you'll have enough money if you win this competition to go to Cuba. Welcome, Olaleye. I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
And the 6 contestants.
My name is Madam Ndoh Samson from Global Kids Academy, Sokoto State.
Great to have you, Samson. All the Samsons I know are very big and very strong. Are you big and strong?
Yes, in the mind, sir.
Do you play any sports?
Basketball, sir.
Basketball?
Yes, sir.
How good are you?
I'm still learning, sir.
You're still learning?
Yes, sir.
But you're not learning in maths, right? You're
Sir?
very good in maths.
Yes, sir.
I wish you all the best. Great to have you, Samson.
Yes,
welcome to Cowbellpedia.
Thanks, sir.
Let's move on to round 1. 12 questions. You have 5 seconds to put in your answer. At the end of round 1, the top 3 will move on to round 2, which is the Cowbellpedia 60 seconds of fame. At the end of round 1 and round 2, 2 students with the highest combined scores will move on to the semi-final. I wish you all the best. Do you have any questions?
No, Master.
Let's move on to round 1, question 1. Which of the numbers below is odd? 8, 27, 64, 100, 128, and 216. A, 100, B, 128, 27, or D, 216. The correct answer is C, 27. 5 points to all of you. Well done. Question 2. Find the number of seconds in 5/6 minutes. 40, 45, 50, 55. The correct answer is C, which is 50. 2 for 2. Well done to all of you. Question number 3. The number 90/100th in decimal fraction is 0.9, 0.009, 0.09, or 9.0. Is it a 3 for 3? The correct answer is A, 0.9. Only 2 of you got it right. It's still anybody's game. Let's move on to question 4. A set whose element can be counted is called A, counting set, equal set, finite set, infinite set. The correct answer is C, finite set. Well done to all of you. This is going to be a very close round. Question number 5. Simplify 125 raised to the power minus 2 over 3. A, 1 over 2, 1 over 5, 1 over 25, or D, 1 over 15. The correct answer is C, 1 over 25. Akanyo, better luck next time. Well done to each and every one of you. Everybody take a deep breath. Take a deep breath, relax. You're doing very well. Let's move on to question 6. Write the number 400 over 1000 in decimal. 0.0004, 0.4, 0.004, or 0.04. The correct answer is B, 0.4. Well done.
Instantly dissolving cowbell milk is both delicious and nutritious. It promotes good health and vitality. Cowbell milk has a blend of the important vitamins which we call Vita-Rich, plus vitamin B9, which helps with brain development. We've also got a deliciously creamy formula that dissolves instantly. Cowbell, deliciously creamy.
You all got that one. Moving on to question number 7. We're halfway through. Which of the following is not a law of algebra in logical statements? A, commutative law, complement law, identity law, indical law. The correct answer is D, indical law. Question number 8. Represent the set of natural numbers x, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 using inequalities. A, x is less than 3, less than 8. B, x is less than 2, less than or equal to 8. X is less than or equal to 3, less than or equal to 7. Or x is less than or equal to 2, x is less than 8. The correct answer is C. You all got that right. Well done. Question 9. Express 4x over 3 minus x over 3 as a single fraction. A, 5x over 3, 4x over 3, x, and d, x over 3. The correct answer is C, x. We had one of you who didn't put in the answer in time. Better luck next time, Samson. Let's move on to question number 10. Which of the following is a close statement and also true? Y is an even number. 2 is an even number. River Limpopo is a famous river in Nigeria, and physics is an easy subject. The correct answer is 2 is an even number, option B. You had one incorrect. Not to worry. Saudat, better luck with question 11. Represent -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 using inequalities. X is an integer. X is less than or equal to -3, less than or equal to 3. X is less than -3, less than 2. X is less than or equal to -2. X is less than 3. And X is less than 3, less than or equal to 3. Correct answer is option C, -2. X is less than or equal to -2, less than 3. You all got that right. Four of you are on the same points, which means question 12 will decide who moves on and who gets left behind. Question 12. The average of 3 numbers is 7 and the average of 2 of them is 8. What is the third number? 5, 18, 14, and 3. That question definitely will set you apart. We had 2 correct answers. For some reason, the rest of you did not put in your answer in time. Let's see how that affects you with the final score. And these are the final scores at the end of round 1. Like I mentioned, 4 of you were on the same points. Congratulations to Favour and Saudat. You have both made it to the next round. Unfortunately, on 40 points, we have Samson and Akanyo. This is where your journey ends. Very proud of you. Well done for getting this far, and I wish you both all the best. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
The new Cowbell Choco formula has been stolen. Get it back at all costs.
Tasting new Cowbell Choco gives you the get up and go to be at the top of your game. Now with Vitalrich Plus Iron. New great tasting Cowbell Choco, a creamy chocolatey drink that helps give energy to get up and go.
We have a tie break. To break this tie, I'm going to ask another set of questions, 3 to be precise. At the end of the 3 questions, I'm looking for the contestant with the most correct answers in the quickest time. Whatever you score in the tie break will not be added to your final score. Blessing and Oroluwa, you're both on 50 points. I wish you all the best. Let's play the tiebreaker round. Expand x plus y raised to the power 2. A, x squared plus 2xy minus y squared, x squared minus 2xy plus y squared, x squared plus 2xy plus y squared, or x squared minus 2xy minus y squared. The correct answer is C, x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Congratulations to both of you, you got that right. Question 2. What is the coefficient of PQ in the expansion 4P plus 3Q all squared? A, 9, B, 12, C, 24, D, 16. Silence in the audience, please. The correct answer is 24, which is option C, which is what you both picked. Well done. Final question. Simplify xy minus y squared divided by x minus y all squared. A, y divided by x plus y all squared, y divided by x plus y divided by x minus y, and y divided by x minus y all squared. Remember, I'm looking for the most correct answers, the quickest time. The correct answer is C, y divided by x minus y. We had one correct, one incorrect. The incorrect answer was given by Oreolua. Let's find out the scoreboard. So Blessing has 3 points, Oreolua has 2 points. Oreolua, you did very well. Very proud of you, and I'm sure your parents and your school are as well. Wish you all the best. A round of applause to Oreolua.
Instantly dissolving cowbell milk is both delicious and nutritious. It promotes good health and vitality. Cowbell milk has a blend of the important vitamins which we call Vita-Rich, plus vitamin B9, which helps with brain development. We've also got a deliciously creamy formula that dissolves instantly. Cowbell, deliciously creamy.
Blessing, well done. Favour, 55 points. Saudat, 55 points. Blessing, 50 points. This is the Cowbellpedia 60 seconds of fame. You have 60 seconds to give me as many correct answers as possible. Note, Blessing, that whatever you scored in the tie break will not be added to your score. I'll start with Favour, followed by Saudat, followed by Blessing. Favour, are you ready?
Yes, Quiz Master.
If you do not know the answer to a question, just say skip and I'll move on to the next one. I wish you all the best. Your Cowbellpedia 60 seconds of fame starts now. What is the square root of the sum of
12?
Correct. Find the simple interest of 2,000 naira for 2 years.
400.
Correct. Simplify 3 over 5 plus 2 over 10 minus 2 over 5.
2 over 5.
Correct. Express
0.1 times 3 minus 3.
Correct. What is the cardinality of a set A, x to 3? Simplify 2, 1 over 6 minus 1, 2 over 3.
1 over 3 over 1 over 2.
Your final answer, please.
1 over 1 over 2.
Incorrect. Express 120 times 10 raised by minus 6.
1.2 times 10 to the minus 8.
Incorrect. What is 36,000 meters in kilometers?
36 meters.
Incorrect. What is the value of 3 in the numbers 42.7?
10,000.
Incorrect. Express 6.001 times 10 to the power 2.
600.1.
Correct. Express 1,500 centimeters in meters.
15 meters.
Correct. Mr. Manu traveled
90 kilometers per hour.
Correct. Multiply the following in a given modular. 3 times 12 mod 2.
0.
Correct. 3 over 4 of 60 centimeters equivalent
15 centimeters.
Sorry?
15 centimeters.
Incorrect. Saudat, wish you all the best. Please do make sure you speak up. I need to hear your answers. Your Cowbellpedia 60 seconds of fame starts now. Subtract the following in the given modular. Skip. 9 minus 10 mod 3. Albert spent 3 over 8 of his money of transport and half on his food. What fraction of his money was left?
4 over 8, half.
Incorrect. If 2 log x plus 3 log x is equal to log 32, what is x?
8.
Incorrect. Approximate 84.76 to the nearest hundred.
100.
Correct. I need you to speak up. Express 15 meters in centimeters.
0.15.
Incorrect. Subtract 0.0435. Given the universal set, use letters of the English alphabet A, the vowels, and find A intersection A.
21.
Incorrect. Simplify 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6 divided by 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6 times 7.
1/7.
Correct. Evaluate log 9 base 3 plus log 3 base 9.
-2.
Incorrect. What is the place value of 1 in 2, 4, 3.0?
100.
Correct. Well done. Well done. Blessing, wish you all the best.
Thanks.
Your Cowbellpedia 60 seconds of fame starts now. Evaluate the square root of 18/32.
3/4.
Correct. 5 men complete a work in 4 days. At the same rate, 4 men can complete the same work in dash days.
5 days.
Correct. Find the sum of the multiples of 6 between 1 and 19.
36.
Correct. If y is equals to 5x minus 4.
6.
Correct. Express 0.058.
0.059.
Correct. Approximate 7.3.
7.35.
Correct. The x-intercept of the equation 4x
6.
Minus. Correct. If a man is 40 years old, his
40
age...
plus x.
Correct. Evaluate 16/25.
5/4.
Correct. If minus 5...
y greater than or equals to -8.
Correct. If the graph of a squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, then the end shape...
Maximum.
Incorrect. Complete the factorization of 3 bracket 6m plus 3.
9 bracket 3m plus n.
Incorrect. Simplify 1/3k plus 1/2k.
5/6k.
Correct. A squared plus bx plus c is a general form of a dash.
Quadratic equation.
Correct. Well done. Well done to the 3 of you. That was quite an interesting round. 110 points, 95 points, 70 points, in that order. Favour. I'll see you in the semi-finals. You got 95 points. Well done. At the beginning of round 1, this contestant was on 50 points, but finished with 110 points. Well done, Blessing. He literally came from behind, which means that, Saudat, this is where your journey ends on Cowbellpedia. We're really proud of you. We appreciate you. We wish you all the best. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Here is the home play question for this week. What is the multiplicative inverse of 1/8? A, 2, B, 8, C, 4, D, 1/4. Be part of the Cowbellpedia Best 11. Type SC, space your name, space location, space your answer for a chance to win fabulous prizes for the week.
How do you both feel? Give each other a high five, just, or shake hands. Ah, you're so tired, you're so weak. Take a deep breath, take a deep breath. Well done. Blessing, you did very, very well. You came back strong, you came back very hard. Like I always say on this show, it's not how you start, it's how you finished, and you finished well. I'll see you both in the semi-final. Blessing and Favour join Chukelu and Joel. 4 spots gone in the semi-final. Yet another prelim ahead. We'll find out who will be taking those 4 spots as well. Over 52,000 applicants from 10,000 schools. The best 108 are on this stage. We're very happy to have them. We're very proud of them. And hopefully their dreams will come true, but only for 2 of them. Join me on the next edition as we take on 12 more contestants and see if they have the stuff champions are made of. I am Oscar, your quiz master. It's been Cowbellpedia, brought to you by Promasidol, the makers of Cowbell Our Milk, and endorsed by NECO. See you next week. Bye for now.